Hey curl friends, that is my puppies downstairs. Don't mind them, but that's not what we're here for. We're here because I just received a package from BYTE, and this is going to be my impressions kit, so I wanted to go ahead and do it along with you guys. So I'm gonna open it and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do this with y'all together. Hopefully I don't mess it up. That's what I'm going to send it back in. This is the kit. This is the impressions putty. This is the impressions trays, gloves, and a smile stretcher. Let's open this and see. I'm trying not to mess up the packaging because I still want to take some good pictures. Get mouthy. Okay, those are my impressions trays, gloves, okay, smile stretcher. This one's labeled light, and then is this one labeled dark? All right, so we're gonna see what that's about. It comes with this book, these instructions, so I'm just gonna read through. Take an empty tray and check to make sure it fits. It will feel a little how is this gonna fit in my mouth? How? If it's too tight, listen, wait. Take an empty tray and make sure it fits. If it's too tight, we'll send you a better fitting set right away. If it fits, practice putting it in a few times without any putty. How? Wait, I'm confused. I'm so lost. So I'm going to go brush my teeth, finish reading this, and we're gonna come back on when we're ready to make impressions because I can see how this could get a little boring. Okay, so we're back. I brushed my teeth and we're about to do this. So you're mixing the light and the dark together. And I got my impressions kit. My impression right here. I put the gloves on first. I brushed my teeth. Excuse the kitchen. You know, Christmas is right around the corner. And my parents, well, my dad, my mom doesn't cook. My dad is about to cook a huge Christmas meal. Right, gloves on. I'm actually like very nervous. Okay. Yeah, I am nervous. So I'm gonna be following. That's how long it's supposed to be. All right. So the way I'm gonna put it in is I have to move the sides of my mouth to make this fit. So I've been practicing. So like I put it in regular, like, but I push it to the bottom of my mouth. I was practicing this way because I don't want to put an impression in the putty before it's time, basically. So I want to hit the top of the putty as much as possible without making it a real impression. So I put it in and I move the sides of my mouth and I push it to the back of my mouth. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. Like that. That's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to start mixing the dark and the light putty together. Ooh, I'm scared. It said you only have 30 seconds. Ooh, wee, baby. It's supposed to turn blue. So I'm opening them both. One's red, one's white, and it's supposed to turn a consistent blue color. And I have 2 tries. So this is the red one. Got it out. And then this is the white one. Got it out. So now has to be one consistent color, and it says you only have 30 seconds. Ooh, this is giving me anxiety. Because it's like I still see red. Still see white. Okay, I think it's all pink. I think it's not supposed to. Is it? Did I get it all? Okay. Now you're supposed to roll it into a cylinder. Me? I'm down here doing my teeth impression. Okay. 4 inches. Put it on here. Okay. But don't force it. I said don't force it. That was nasty. I think I did okay. Can you guys see that? Is it gonna focus? I think I did okay. Does it stay in here? Right? It stays in here. Does it stay in here forever? My hand. So much saliva on them. That is disgusting. I think I did good. Like, I think this is pretty solid. It looks like the picture of the good impression. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is impression number 1. I feel like, you know, a professional. So we're gonna go ahead, put that one down, and do 4, 4. Why do these all say 4? Okay, they all say 4. I was gonna say, ooh, did I already mess up? And we're gonna do number 2. Really, I feel like the most nerve-wracking part is the putty. Making the putty one consistent color. Ooh, stressing me out. So let's go ahead. Let's do another one. Right, dark. Bam. Light. Bam. And also, I went on, like, I was looking on Instagram and watching a video in the seconds. Okay. 2 together. Get to work. So what confused me is the blue, the ones in the pictures have blue putty on it. So I was like, is this supposed to turn blue? And I was like, how am I gonna, it's not turning blue. But I think it's just supposed to turn red. And then they have like 4 inches on here, so you know exactly how long to make it. And I just squish it in both hands until I don't see the white anymore, basically, because the red is gonna overpower the white. All right, is that good? No, not yet. It's just the fact that they say you only got 10 seconds to do it. I mean 30 seconds total. You have 20 seconds for this, and then 30 seconds, and another 10 seconds for the what's it called? The rolling part, this part. And then you have to make sure it's 4 inches long. And then you put it in the tray, like so, like that. And then you That's so nasty. So I don't know if this one was as good. Let's stop the timer. After the first 2 seconds, I start salivating everywhere. It's okay. It's right above the gum line. That's what they asked for. All right, now let's do the bottom. So I think you do it all 4 times. It says you get 4 tries. I'm doing it. Every putty I got, I'm sending it in, because if you know me, like going to the dentist, whenever I have to get my teeth cleaned or anything, they always have to put the child guard thing in my mouth to keep my mouth open, because I hate, like, I just don't like it having things at the top. Not my thing. Okay. Oof, this is the stressful part. Okay. Only did the bottom like once. Okay. Goodness gracious. I think this is too much putty for the bottom of my mouth, maybe, because that thing was locked in. Wow, did y'all see that? Just put you down. Woo! Last one. Last one. Your girl is excited. Yeah, the bottom is really taking a lot out of me, and not only that, but if I thought I was drooling uncontrollably with the top ones, no baby. No baby. We are. So in the picture, they just rolling it in a ball, so, but I feel like my way worked faster. These are all for of my impressions. These are all 4 of my impressions. Bottom, top. So I'm pretty sure I close this up. So what I was playing with earlier, this is for me to take pictures of my teeth to upload, and that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna put it in, take pictures, upload them so that the orthodontist can see pictures. Is it orthodontist? I think it's orthodontist can see pictures of my teeth while they are seeing the impressions. They're gonna put 2 and 2 together to get like the best possible smile science. That's what they call it in the book, y'all. I didn't make that up. To get the best possible smile science, and then yeah, I'll bring you guys along with me tomorrow when I head to the post office to drop this off. It did come with priority mail, already pre-done on it, so definitely taking it tomorrow. So excited. So I'm gonna take my pictures and I will see y'all tomorrow.